Welcome back to Tri-Tool Technologies. What we're going to do is a video here showing you actually the machine cutting on an elliptical Manway machine. As a little follow-up. On our last video we finished up talking about setting our tool bit. So we've got it in the Manway hole. We used our squaring bars. We went ahead and set our tool bit. We touch off on the surface. You can use a piece of paper to know you're not going to drag your tool bit. Bring it in. You want to take your depth of cut. It's everywhere from 5 thousandths to 20 thousandths. Recommended depth of cut is 10. There's divot marks on the wheel, and each one of those are 1 thou, so you can count your depth. When we come over around here, we're going to be running this from the outside. Machine, like I said before, could be ran from the outside or the inside if you have your hole approved that you can get in there. We're going to run today with both of our tripper pins engaged, which is going to give us a 250 RMS finish. Okay, now we can turn this around, and I want to show the business side of this where you wouldn't see this if you had a big mud drum inside that chamber. This is really the business side of it. We have dual shocks right here, which is helping track the elliptical surface. We have linear bearings and bars, and that way you're going to see this sliding back and forth. And also to mention, you'll be able to see the gear inside, and that's how the tool bit is actually feeding across as this whole operation is going on. So we're going to go ahead and run the machine now. We got our air hooked up, the ball valve. This ball valve swivels, so as it's rotating, your hose is staying placed. The other thing is, this is the ball valve that you would unscrew, flip to the inside if you could get access to the inside to run the machine. So we'll go ahead and turn this on, make it cut across this, and show you the finish. Okay, now we finished our cut there. We can disconnect our air power source, safety. You can look at our record finish on there. That's a 250 elliptical Manway machine here at Tri-Tool Technologies, available for rent, sale, or a service job. Have our service team out, help you out with this, get a good project going on. These are capable of doing 12 by 16, 14 by 18, 16 by 20, tracking the ID, or with a template.